some few questions. Today we'll proceed that same laws of indices. Okay, now we'll solve some more questions of laws of indices. The first question for today is y square whole to the power minus 3 divided by 1 by y power minus 8. Okay, this is the question. Okay, look at this question. Here is y square whole power minus 3. It's y square whole power minus 3 divided by 1 by y to the power minus 8. Now we have to apply the laws of indices in both terms. Firstly, we'll apply law of index here and we'll apply here. In the both terms, we'll apply the laws of indices. Now firstly, here in this case, here's power of the power. It's power of the power. So in this case, the powers get multiplied. So that is why we can write y to the power minus 6 here. Y square whole minus 3 is given, so y to the power minus 6 divided by is 1 over y to the power minus 8. And yesterday we had discussed that whenever there is negative power and if it is shifted in the numerator, then the negative power changes to positive, right? If there is negative power in the numerator, then it can be shifted down in the denominator, then the power become positive. And similarly, if there is negative power in the denominator and if it is shifted in the numerator, it becomes positive. So in this case also, we can shift this y to the power minus 8 in the numerator, means in the place of 1, it will be y to the power 8. So it will be y to the power 8. Similarly, here's y power minus 6, right? Y power minus 6, it should be shifted down, means it will be y to the power minus 6 divided by, it will be y to the power 8. Y to the power minus 6, y to the power 8. Or this can also be done directly also, because this is divided by this, or you can write it as y to the power minus 6 divided by y to the power 8 also. In this way also you can do, and the powers will get subtracted if they are in the division form. We can do that also. So let's do it, will be easier for you. Okay, let's do from here. So y to the power minus 6 divided by y to the power 8. Now it becomes y to the power minus 6. Now this 8 gets subtracted with minus 6. It becomes minus 8. Y power minus 6 minus 8. So it will be y power minus 14. So this can be left it as answer, or it can also be done as 1 over y to the power 14 also. So either this, or you can just leave in this step also, in the step of y to the power minus 14 also. So in this way we can do. We have to apply the laws of indices carefully. Apply the laws of indices very carefully. Okay, have you understood this, or you have some problem here? Is this clear? Is this question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so similarly, let's do next question also. Question number 2. It is p to the power a minus b divided by p to the power 3a plus b. Okay, look at this now. P to the power a minus b divided by p to the power 3a plus b. Now it is in the division form. It is in the division form. It means when the two terms with the same bases are in the division form, the powers are subtracted, right? The powers are subtracted. So it can also be written as p to the power a minus b over p to the power 3a plus b. Now it is in the division form. In this case, the powers get subtracted. The powers are a minus b and 3a plus b. 3a plus b. So they get subtracted. Did you understand this? Did you understand or not? The powers are
Yes.
subtracted. There is a minus b and 3a minus b in the division form. So a minus b minus 3a plus b will be there. 3a plus b should be kept inside the bracket. It should not be opened at once. Now we'll open the bracket. P times a minus b, this one as it is copied. Now this 3a plus b should be opened by multiplying this minus. It becomes minus 3a minus plus is minus b. We'll get p times a minus b minus 3a minus b. Now what are like terms here? Like terms are these two, a and 3a, b and b. These are the like terms. So like terms can be solved. Now p as it is, this base a minus 3a. A minus 3a is minus 2a. A minus 3a is minus 2a. Minus b minus b is minus 2b. A minus 3a minus 2a minus b is minus 2b. So we got p to the power minus 2a minus 2b. P to the power minus 2a minus 2b. So this is our answer. So do you have any confusion on this solution?
No, sir.
Okay. We have to carefully use the laws of indices in this type of question. Now I'll give one question for you and it should be done by yourself. It's DIY. X to the power m minus 3 divided by x to the power m minus 4. Okay, do it by yourself. Do this question now. X to the power m minus 3 divided by x to the power m minus 4. X power m minus 3 divided by x to the power m minus 4. What is your answer?
X power by 1, but you can write as x.
X power
Power by 1, but we can write it as x only.
Okay, let's check it. X to the power m minus 3, it is divided by x to the power m minus 4. It is not necessary to write also. Directly we can apply the laws of indices. X to the power m minus 3 minus m minus 4. These two indices will get subtracted. M minus 3 minus m minus 4. X to the power m minus 3. Now m minus 4 will be opened by using this minus. It becomes minus m, and minus times minus becomes plus 4. Now this minus and m and plus m will be get cancelled, right? This will get cancelled. You will get x to the power minus 3 plus 4. Now minus 3 plus 4, they are with the opposite sign, so that is why they get subtracted. When 3 is subtracted from the 4, then it becomes 1. Now this greater value is positive, so that is why it becomes positive. We got x to the power 1, which can be written as x. This is our answer. Okay, now can you do such type of questions? Now let's do another type of question. Question number 4. Question number 4 is x square whole to the power 3. Okay, what will be its value? Aravind, can you tell it? What will be its value? X square whole to the power 6. X to the power 6, right? When there is power of the power, the powers get multiplied. Similarly, 5 number is p square q cube whole square. Okay, honestly, can you tell what is its answer? What will be its value? P square q cube whole square.
to the power 4.
Huh?
Q to the power 10.
Q to the power 10. It is 3. 3.
The power 4, Q to the power 6.
Right. Okay, now next question is, the next question will be xy square whole to the power minus 4. Okay, I guess Ray. Can you tell it? Xy square whole to the power minus 4.
1 by xy to the power 4.
1 by xy square whole to the power 4. Okay, then
And 1 by xy 4 to the power 4.
xy to the power 4 like this. Yes? Is this what you have told?
Yes, sir.
Aryavan, is this correct?
Sir, I mean 8.
Xy power 8, is this?
Yes, sir.
Aryavan,
I believe so, yeah.
is this answer correct? Honestly, what
Sir,
about
I
your opinion?
think it's 1 by x4y 8.
1 by
X.
x4 y8. Right, this one is correct. This one is correct. I guess you forgot to put the power of x. This 4 is common power for both x and y square. This 4 is common power of x and y square. Hey, Aryavan. This 4 is the common power for x and y square also. So, whenever we open this bracket, this power 4 will go with x and y square also for both. So that is why x will have the power of 4, like x to the power 4, and in the case of y the powers get multiplied, so y to the power 2 4 8. So that's why this answer will be correct. Now question number 7. The question number 7 has given us as xy by x square y square whole to the power minus 4. Xy by x square y square whole to the power minus 4. And how can it be done? How can it be done? Now this question, in this question there is negative power, right? This is negative power. If there is negative power, to make it positive, we can just take reciprocal. Reciprocal means we can just interchange. Interchange the numerator and denominator. Reciprocal means interchanging the numerator and denominator. So that's why this denominator becomes numerator. So x square y square becomes numerator by xy. This xy becomes denominator. It's whole power 4 now. This negative will convert to positive. A negative 4 converts to positive whenever they are interchanged. Now, what can we do? What can we do? Look at here. This x and x, they are in the division form, right? They are in the division form. The power of this x is 1. Now, whenever two terms are in the division form with the same basis, then the powers of them will get subtracted. That is why x will have power of 2 minus 1. Do you have any confusion on this? Any confusion on this step?
No, sir.
No. Similarly, in the case of y, y square divided by y means y to the power 2 minus 1. Y to the power 2 minus 1. Its whole power 4. Now how much it will come? X to the power 1, y to the power 1 whole power 4 equals 2. Now these powers get multiplied. If there is power of the power, then powers get multiplied. So this 1 multiplies with 4, This 1 multiplies with 4. It becomes x to the power 4, y to the power 4. This is our answer. Is this clear now? Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now, similar type of question, I'll give one question for you, Veda. Now, this question should be done by yourself. The question is 2 square by 3 square whole to the power minus 3. Now, do this question. 2 square by 3 square whole power minus 3. 2 square divided by 3 square whole power minus 3. Okay, do this question now. Okay, got your answer?
No, sir.
Not got it. You are facing difficulty on this. Are you facing difficulty on this?
Yes, sir.
2 square divided by 3 square whole to the power minus 3. 2 square divided by 3 square whole to the power minus 3. Okay, at first, look at the power of these both terms. What is the power of 2? It's 2. Power of 3 is 2, right? Now, both numerator and denominator both has the same power. So that is why this power can be represented as common power of 2 and 3, right? By using laws of indices. Because this power 2 is common for 2 and 3 both. So in this case, we can write 2 by 3 whole power 2. Is this clear? 2 to the power 2 over 3 square is there. Means power 2 is common for both numerator and denominator. So this power 2 can be taken common and we can write 2 over 3 whole to the power 2. 2 over 3 whole to the power 2. Okay? Now its whole power minus 3. Whole power minus 3. Now, what can we do for this? What can we do now? Any idea? There's power of the power here, right? It's it's 2 whole to the power minus 3. Now, what will happen if there is power of the power? If there is power of the power, then what will happen? What will be our laws of indices? Till?
Multiply.
Yes, right, multiply. If there's a to the power m whole to the power n, then the powers get multiplied like this. In this case also, the powers get multiplied. Means 2 over 3 remains same. The powers 2 and minus 3 get multiplied. It becomes 2 3s are 6. It will be minus 6. Now 2 over 3 whole to the power minus 6. 2 over 3 whole to the power minus 6. Hey, have you understood Adyavan?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now this power, negative power. There's negative power of 2 over 3. Now what can we do to make it positive? What can we do to make it positive? To make it positive, we can just interchange these two terms, right? 2 and 3 can be interchanged, means numerator can be made denominator and denominator can be made numerator in order to convert that negative power into positive. So that means you can write it as 3 over 2 whole to the power 6. 3 over 2 whole to the power 6. And this is our answer. This is our answer. Got it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Are you copying also or not?
Yes, sir.
You need to copy also. Eh? Now, similar type of question, I'll give one question for you. Similar type. The question is 3 cube divided by 2 cube whole to the power minus 2. We can do this question. 3 cube over 2 cube whole to the power minus 2. Let's do another type of question using laws of indices. The question is simplify. The first question says that 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 3 into 2 power 4 over 2 into 2 power 5. Okay, this is our question. Now 2 square into 2 cube into 2 power 4 divided by 2 into 2 power 5. If there is not any power of any term, then the power becomes 1. Eh? So in this case, in the numerator, all terms are in the multiplication form and they do have the same base, right? The base is 2. That is 2 square into 2 cube into 2 power 4. 2 square into 2 cube into 2 power 4. And in the denominator, 2 power 1 into 2 power 5. 2 power 1 into 2 power 5. Now, in the numerator, these powers get added, right? If they are in the multiplication form. If the terms with the same bases are in the multiplication form, then the powers will get added. Means now we'll get 2 to the power 2 plus 3 plus 4 divided by there is 2 power 1 into 2 power 5. Now can we write 2 to the power 1 plus 5 or not? Can you write this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. 2 to the power. Now let's add this. 2 plus 3 becomes 5. 5 plus 4 becomes 9 divided by 2 to the power 1 plus 5. 2 to the power 1 plus 5 becomes 2 to the power 3. 2 power 3. Now which law can we apply here? Can anyone say? Which law can we apply? What can we do now? For 2 power 9 over 2 power 3. What can we write?
Sir, isn't it 2 power 6 because 1 plus 5?
I made mistake here. It's 6. Now what can we do? What can we do now?
9 minus 6.
Right, 9 minus 6. The powers will get subtracted because they are in division form with the same bases. Now 2 to the power 9 minus 6 becomes 3. And this is our answer. In this way we need to do. Firstly we'll solve the numerator and then denominator and then whole. I will give you same type of question. 3 cube into 3 power 5 into 3 power 7 divided by 3 square into 3 power 10. Okay, do this question. Okay, what is your answer?
3 cube.
3 cube. Your Ariman, what's your answer? Is this the same?
3 cube.
3 cube. Okay, so we will add the powers in the numerator at first. 3 power 3 plus 5 plus 7 over 3 to the power 2 plus 10. It is 3 to the power 7 plus 5, 12 plus 3 is 15 over 3 power 12. 15 minus 12 is 3 power 3. It's our answer. Now in this type of question, if there is the other term in the base other than this type of smaller value, then all those bigger values must be expressed in the powers of the smaller value. Like sometimes you may be given as 2 into 4 to the power 2 into 8 to the power 3, like this also. Now where the smallest term is 8, smallest base is 2, but larger than 2 there is 4 and 8 also. Now this 4 and 8, this 4 and 8 must be expressed in the power of 2. In the power of 2 to simplify it. Means this 4 can be written as 4 square, 8 can be written as 2 cube. This 4 can be written as 2 square and 8 can be written as 2 cube. So in this way, this type of bigger values must be expressed as the power of the smaller term. Power of the smaller term. And then only we should simplify it by using the laws of indices. Now, I'll give one question. Next question. It is 4 square into 2 power 4 into 8 to the power 2 by 2 to the power 2 into 4 to the power 5. Now look at this. Now if we look at the basis of this question, here is 4, here is 2, here is 8. Now among these, which one is the smallest value? Is this 2? 2 is the smallest value, right? It means this 4 and 8 must be expressed as the power of 2. 4 and 8 must be expressed as the power of 2. Now 4 can be written as 2 to the power 2. 4 can be written as 2 square, and its whole power 2 is there. Whole power 2 into 2 to the power 4 as it is, into 8 square. 8 square means 2 cube whole square. 2 cube whole square divided by 2 square into 4 power 5 is 2 square whole power 5. Okay, did you understand this or not? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
The larger values should be expressed as the power of the smaller value. 4, 8 and 4. These are the greater values. The smallest value is 2. So that's why we should express all this as the power of the 2. 4 is 2 square. 8 is 2 cube. This 4 is 2 square. Whole to the power 2, whole to the power 2, whole to the power 5. In this case, like that. Now let's use law of indices. Now if we use laws of indices, then it becomes 2 to the power 2 to the 4, powers multiply, plus 2 to the power 4 into 2 power 3 to the 6, divided by this one 2 power 2 into this 2 to the power 2 5 the 10. 2 power 2 to the 4, 2 power 4, 2 power 3 to the 6. 2 power 4 into 2 power 4 into 2 power 6. 2 power 2 into 2 power 10. Now let's simplify it. How can we simplify? Can we use laws of indices here in this numerator? What can we write for this? What can we write?
4 plus 4 plus 6.
4 plus 4 plus 6, right? 4 plus 4 plus 6 divided by 2 to the power 2 plus 10. Now it will be 2 to the power 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 4 is 14, divided by 2 to the power 12. Now these two terms are in the division form, means the powers get subtracted. 2 to the power 14 minus 12, right? The powers get subtracted. 2 power 14 minus 12, it will be 2 power 2. It is 2 power 2. And this 2 power 2 is our answer. Have you understood the solution? Understood?
Yes.
Now one question then. One question. 25 cube into 5 square into 625 divided by 5 power 4 into 125 cube. Okay, do it by yourself. Now we can add all these powers here. The powers can be added, right? Now the powers can be added. Now if we add the power, then we'll get 5 power 6 plus 2 plus 4 divided by 5 power 4 plus 9. Now how much it will come? 5 to the power 6 plus 4 is 10 plus 2 is 12, right? 5 power 12 divided by 5 power 13. 4 plus 9 is 13. And it is equal to 5 to the power 12 minus 13. Means powers get subtracted. Powers will be subtracted. Hey, powers will be subtracted. Is 5 to the power minus 1. 12 minus 13 is minus 1. Then if there is negative power of 5, it can made positive just by taking the reciprocal. It is 5 power, sorry, 1 by 5 power 1 is equal to 1 over 5. So this is our answer. Okay? This one is our answer. Have you understood this?
So
Yes,
please
sir.
remind me how you got 5 to the power negative 4 by, plus 9.
It is not negative 4, it's 5 to the power 4. 5 to the power positive 4. That is not negative. It is not negative, it is the part of 5. Like this. And this is also, it's part of 5. It's part of 5.
Yeah, sir, I just forgot to write the cube in 125 cube.
Oh. Okay, so in this way we can do. Now I'll give one question for you as your homework. It is 4 square into 9 cube into 6 power 4 divided by 8 square into 27 power 4. Okay, copy this question. 4 square into 9 cube into 6 power 4 into, so divided by 8 square into 27 power 4. Now do this question.
Sir, are you sure there's going to be 8?
It's 8 power 2, 8 square